Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions. You need Manage Server or Administrator, otherwise you cannot remove a bot. Once confirmed, open Discord on desktop or web. Mobile steps differ slightly. Next, click the target server in the left column, then open the Server Settings menu. This is where roles and integrations live. Make sure to keep the server owner informed if you are not the owner. Now that settings are visible, move to the Integrations and Members list to find the bot you want to remove. Once in Server Settings, choose Members or Integrations depending on your Discord version, because bots may appear in either place. Then search for the bot account by name to quickly locate it and select its entry. You can kick the bot to remove it now, ban if you want to prevent rejoining. If the bot was added via an OAuth app, open Authorized Apps and revoke its permissions instead. After removal, check that its role and channels no longer have access to prevent residual issues. Finish by cleaning up. Delete any bot-specific roles and strip channel permissions it used, because leftover roles can cause access confusion. Then verify OAuth grants, webhooks, and other integrations. Revoke anything tied to the bot so it cannot return. If the bot still appears or rejoins, make sure you have the right permissions and that the server owner didn't reauthorize it. If problems persist, gather screenshots and contact Discord support with Server ID and Bot ID for deeper investigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.